Hey lovelies, welcome back to SoulSync, the space where we decode the deepest emotions with a touch of bold femininity. Today's video is all about giving that emotionally unavailable man serious butterflies, the kind that keeps him up at night thinking about you. And no, we're not talking about chasing or begging for his attention. This is about quiet seduction, subtle moves, and mysterious energy that pierces right through his avoidant defenses. Let's get into it. 1. Don't chase. Disappear gracefully. One thing that triggers butterflies in an avoidant man is your absence. Not in a dramatic, silent treatment kind of way, but in that graceful, I'm not here to convince you of my worth energy. Avoidants feel overwhelmed by emotional closeness, but the second you pull away with elegance, they feel that vacuum. It shakes something inside them. They notice the space you leave behind, and suddenly your scent, your voice, your presence become something they crave instead of resist. Disappearing doesn't mean cutting them off completely. It means you don't over-explain, you don't beg for clarity, and you don't stick around in spaces where you're not being emotionally nourished. Your silence, when paired with self-respect, is magnetic. It builds a mystery they can't decode, and that's exactly when the butterflies start. He'll scroll through old texts, revisit your photos, and wonder if you've moved on. That's when you take root in his mind. Touch him once, but let him feel it all day. Avoidant men crave intimacy, but get scared when it comes too fast or too strong. So instead of being physically over-affectionate, give him one single, well-timed touch, one that he'll remember for hours. Like a soft brush on his shoulder as you laugh, or a slight squeeze on his hand before you let go. These moments feel accidental, but they awaken his senses. Because he's used to emotional distance, that subtle physical gesture will stir up his nervous system. He'll replay it in his mind, trying to convince himself it meant nothing, and failing. The lack of overdoing it keeps you mysterious, and that mystery gets under his skin. You become the girl who leaves warmth on his skin and silence in his ears, the perfect recipe for butterflies. 3. Make eye contact. Then break it like you're hiding something. One of the sexiest things you can do to an avoidant is make deep, soft eye contact, and then pull away with a smirk, like you just remembered a secret you'll never tell. Eye contact creates intimacy fast, and avoidants aren't used to being seen like that. But the magic happens when you look away, because now you've opened a door and shut it just as quickly. And that tease? That's what hits him right in the stomach. This simple moment sparks obsession. It says, I see you, but I won't chase you. That makes him want more. You're letting him feel emotionally close for just a moment, then retreating into your mystery. And that's when his nervous system lights up. Butterflies, racing heart, and all the confusion he'll secretly enjoy. 4. Say his name, low and slow. Using his name in conversation, but with a soft, playful tone, sends chills down his spine. Especially when you say it during a casual moment, like, "You really think so, Daniel?" It creates a pause in the air. It makes the conversation feel personal, intimate, and suddenly he's very aware of how close you feel, even if you're across the room. Avoidants don't admit it, but they crave connection on their own terms. Saying his name grounds him. It grabs his attention and subtly whispers, I see you. And when you say it with that slightly seductive feminine tone, not needy, not loud, just calm and close, it flutters something inside him. That name lingers in his ears longer than he'll admit. 5. Wear a scent that's soft but lingers. Butterflies aren't always about actions. Sometimes it's your scent that drives him crazy. Choose a subtle fragrance, something that doesn't scream but whispers. When you hug him briefly or walk past, he catches it, and his body remembers you long before his brain catches up. That connection through scent triggers a sensory memory that's impossible to fight. Avoidants often disconnect from emotions, but the body always remembers. A beautiful feminine scent, maybe with hints of vanilla, amber, or musk, sticks to his mind. Later, when he's alone, the memory of your perfume will hit him out of nowhere. That's how you stay with him. Not in his inbox, not in his face, but in his system. Laugh at something private between you two. Build little inside jokes and moments only you two share, and then mention them subtly in a conversation. That kind of emotional intimacy terrifies an avoidant, but also thrills him. When you casually laugh about something that only he would understand, it creates a private world just between you two. Suddenly, he's not just part of a moment, he's part of a secret. This closeness, crafted through humor, softness, and shared understanding, ignites butterflies because it's not threatening. It doesn't demand anything. It just exists. And in that moment, he'll feel close to you in a way he can't explain. It's emotional glue wrapped in a smile. 7. Show interest in his passion, then leave him curious. When you briefly ask about his passion, whether it's photography, coding, motorcycles, or some random niche hobby, and show genuine interest, you tap into something personal. But here's the key. Don't act impressed, act intrigued. Listen, engage, and then change the subject before he gets used to your attention. That leaves him craving more of it. Avoidants are drawn to people who make them feel seen without feeling exposed. By giving him a taste of curiosity and pulling back, you build a loop in his mind. He'll wonder what you think of his skills, why you stopped asking, whether you were actually impressed. These questions, left unanswered, cause those unexpected butterflies. He won't realize why he's smiling when he thinks of you, but he will. 8. Post a photo that's not thirst-trappy, but mind-trappy. Instead of posting something overly revealing, post a photo that makes him imagine, not just look. Think soft lighting, necklines that tease, or a glimpse of skin in an artistic way. It's the combination of beauty and restraint that messes with his head. A vulnerable caption, a slightly turned glance, a lip bite moment, those stick to his brain like honey. Avoidance might scroll past bold thirst traps, but a soft, intentional picture? That one makes him stare. It activates his fantasy while keeping you emotionally unavailable, a combo that hits hard. He won't double tap immediately. He'll watch, revisit, screenshot, overthink. Congratulations. He's not just noticing you, he's feeling you. And that is how you give him butterflies in silence. And there you go. Lovelies, the softest ways to drive an avoidant wild without ever chasing or overgiving. Remember, butterflies don't come from loud effort, they come from quiet confidence. Let your energy speak, your mystery build, and your presence linger long after you've left. If this video made you feel a little powerful, a little spicy, and a little more in control, comment "Butterflies activated" below. Don't forget to subscribe to SoulSync for more magic, mystery, and emotional power. Until next time, keep him wondering.